Early childhood development speaks for itself. This is the foundation that every child needs.
The resultant effect of high-quality ECD is its help in breaking the cycle of poverty. The ripple effect of appropriate stimulation, nutrition, health, basic education and care through many channels is unprecedented. This prepares our precious children for a fair opportunity to develop and be prepared for a better start in schools.